Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a report in Zoho Projects. All right, so first up, you go ahead over to the left panel right here. Under Home, we have Reports. Okay, click on it. Now go ahead and filter this out. If you want to, you got to select the date range right here. For example, from maybe November 1 to current date right here. Select OK. There you go. And then once done, select the drop down right here. Is it the workload report, planned versus actual, or time logs, or custom reports? Okay, you gotta click on custom report right here and just select the chart configuration right here. It could be a pie graph if you want to, or a donut, or even a line, okay, or even bar. For example, the status, just double click on it. Okay, we have the status right here, the owner. But what you'll do basically is just click on add report. Now it says here, configure the plot options in the right panel. So the module, maybe projects, folder, and the plot options. Okay, hit on apply. There you go. All right, now you got to add in some filters if you want to as well. For example, per owner is me, created time, created by, start date, and some other options. And once that's done, just click on find and you will have the results right here. Okay. And if you want to export it, just click on the three dots, click on export to PDF, or basically export history to a CSV or XLSX file. Okay. And there you have it, Bob. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.